Welcome to a new episode 39 of PSLE Math series on ABCD. In this PSLE Math series, we'll be going through questions that PSLE students might find it difficult to solve. Today, we'll be going through question 1 of worksheet 20. Just a side note, you'll be able to find the link to the Google Docs for this question in the description below. Now, let's get started. It takes 80 days for 40 workers to paint the school. A. How many workers are required to paint the school in 20 days? B. How many schools can 48 workers paint in 20 days? So the first step to this question is to write down the general picture, which is 8 days, 40 workers paint one school. Okay. So basically, right, just a pictorial image. It will be so you know the timeline, right? So for example, on the first day, 40 workers will paint this portion of the school, and it will be 1/8 of the whole school. Okay, then on the 8th day, every day will be the same. Okay, then this is for 40 workers. So one day, 40 workers will paint 1/8 of the school. They will paint an equal share. So you take 8 days to complete 8 units of 1/8, which is the whole school. So in this event, right, we realize that if I increase the number of workers, given that they paint an equal portion, I will need lesser days, because maybe let's say I increase it by another 40. So 40 workers paint 1/8, 80 workers will paint 2/8, which is 1/4 of the school. So in the end, they only take 4 days. Therefore, increasing the number of workers will end up decreasing the number of days, given that they paint an equal share per day. Okay, then if I increase the number of days and the number of workers, for example, I use another 80 workers, but I don't decrease number of days, I keep it at 8 days. Then we realize that at the end of the 8 days, they'll be able to paint 2 schools, because 4 days they can paint 1 school. Using this concept, we realize that the portion before this arrow, this part, okay, will be a critical factor, because increased 1 will lead to increase of this. Increased number of days, I'll be able to paint more school. Increased workers, I'll be able to paint more school. Okay, so increase any factor on the right side, on the left side of the arrow will lead to an increase in the right side of the arrow. However, if I keep this constant, increasing one factor over here will lead to a decrease in another factor over here. So this over here, they are inversely proportional, and this factor compared to this factor, they are directly proportionate. Okay, that's just a side note. Okay, so let's start on the question former. You realize that the number of days, right, is 20 days. So over here, to produce 20 days, I'll need to times 5/12. Okay, then we are given that they are only required to paint 1 school. So therefore, remaining this constant, we are just changing these 2 factors. Increasing 1 will lead to a decreasing 1, and since they are proportionate, as in they are inversely proportionate but they change proportionately. Okay, so I multiply by 1 on one side, I'll need to divide by the other one. Therefore, I will end up with 16 workers over here. Okay, this will be the answer. Okay, then the next one asks about 20 days, then 48 workers. So, over here, remember this is the factors on the left hand side of the arrow. So increase 1 is a decrease in 1, keeping the right hand side constant. So now what happened is, I'm going to change the right hand side. Therefore, if I increase this by 3 times, keeping this constant, okay, I will actually end up here having 3 times. Okay, so basically this question actually illustrates 2 different type of questions that can come up for this type of question. The first type is I keep the right hand side constant, I change the left hand side. The left hand side factors, they are inversely proportionate. Increase in one will lead to a decrease in the other. Okay, this is called inversely proportionate. Whereas for the second part of the questions, they actually change one right hand side and one left hand side factor. Therefore, there's a directly proportionate relationship over here. That's why there's a double multiply sign. Okay, do take note whether it's on the right hand side or on the left hand side. Right hand side will always be the end product, which is like printing how many schools, creating how many kites, or like they make something. Okay, what is the end product? Then on the left hand side will be the raw materials, which is like labor, raw materials like time and etc. Okay, so the question that we just went through is question 1 of worksheet 20. The answer is 16 workers and 3 schools respectively. Ta-da! Okay. There's 2 more questions available, which is question 3 and question 2. The solution for question 2 is 5 houses and 6 carpenters. The solution for question 3 is 16 uniforms and 3 tailors. Feel free to browse our channel if you require any assistance in solving question 3. In the meantime, feel free to drop us an email if you got any challenging questions. You also welcome feedbacks and comments. Our contact details are in the description below. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. We hope you have learned this concept. And here's Miss J signing off. Bye bye!